Moto.
The Motorola One Fusion Plus is a great option in the budget mid-range segment. At last, there seems to be a worthy competitor to Poco and Realme devices at the 17K price market. We have been using the Motorola One Fusion Plus for a few days and it has been quite impressive until now. The dark mode looks cool. The different styles and color themes gives it a different touch. Excellent camera quality. No notch display due to the pop-up camera and the Snapdragon 730G's smooth performance in heavy games and the near stock Android UI with some extra features. All that looks fine, but we are here to find out the actual build quality of its plastic design and pop-up camera, water resistant capabilities and the quality of glass protection given on its display. The pre-applied free TPU case in the box is flimsy, somewhat similar to the K20 Pro. It will not give sufficient protection, especially in accidental drops. The Moto One Fusion Plus is a tad bit thick at 9.6 mm, weighing in towards the heaviest side at 210 grams, although it seems to feel strong in my usual trial bend. We are performing the scratch test to know the scratch resistant capability and quality of this undisclosed tempered glass protection on the Fusion Plus by rubbing it with common atoms and the blade of a heavy duty box cutter. Glass is supposed to be harder than steel on the Mohs scale of hardness, so the tempered glass protection is also supposed to survive the blade. Here's where the role of the blade in the scratch test is of utmost importance, since it exposes poor quality glass protection on devices. The blade is actually able to scuff up and damage poor quality tempered glass protection, especially found on some devices with pre-applied plastic screen protectors. On the other hand, high quality glasses or Corning tempered glass protection on the cheapest of budget devices are able to survive the blade as it should without damages like scratches or scuff marks. We do not know the type of tempered glass protection used by Lenovo on the Motorola One Vision Plus, since they are not disclosing it, but whatever they are using, it manages to pass the scratch test. Important points to remember is that the Motorola One Fusion Plus is not water resistant and does not have any IP rated water ingress certification, though Moto has given some sort of water repellent tech on it. Anyways, the Fusion Plus is not IP68 certified, so it will be extremely dangerous and dumb to dunk it under water. Though one thing good about the Fusion Plus is that it does have a rubber seal on a SIM tray at the top side, so that should help in preventing liquid damage to an extent. So how does the Motorola One Fusion Plus react to different scenarios of water abuse? As you can see, the water is forming spherical droplets on the unnamed glass protection and rolling off instead of sticking to the surface and forming a pool, signifying the positive presence of oleophobic coating. Now, a wide variety of unpleasant stuff can happen to devices without any IP rating, the most common being low loudness levels from the external loudspeaker and high audio distortion. This can safely last only for a few seconds, or it may continue for many hours. Bad news in the sense that it can damage the sound and display unit or even the motherboard. On top of that, other forms of permanent damage can also take place. For example, there was a case of black screen due to motherboard damage suffered by the Redmi Note 8 during this light splashing round itself, or severe and permanent display damage in the Zenfone 5Z after the heavy drenching round. The high sound distortion on the Motorola One Vision Plus was able to recover in a few seconds in the initial round, though in the middle of light splashing. The loud distorted audio took about 22 minutes to recover, not able to reach the heavy drenching stage, and overexposure will lead to eventual irreversible permanent damage. Next up, moving on to fun stuff with value. Some of you always seem to have doubts regarding the usefulness of a bend test, especially of those devices which fail the bend test. Well, the answer is in fact very simple. A genuine bend test simply proves or exposes the actual real-life build quality of devices which the company has given you for your hard-earned money. And it is in fact the devices which fail the bend test due to poorly designed builds or materials that actually help us consumers the most into making the brands improve upon the structural integrity and give us stronger builds in future. We are bend testing a Moto device after eons and ages, and it sure sounds like good news for Moto fans of old. Other than a bit of slight creaking on the second backside bend with very less degree of flex, the plastic body is able to handle high amounts of pressure without any internal or external damages or glass shatter and passes my bend test with ease. As expected, the self-retracting safety feature of the pop-up camera seems to be working as it should. The pop-up camera unit is able to support the entire heavy weight of the Vision Plus on its own without any damage to the camera functions, and the plastic pop-up unit is also able to handle high pressure from both sides if you try to break it or snap it off from the base. The rising plastic camera unit on the Moto Vision Plus makes a lot of weird mechanical noises and heats up a bit when forcibly stopping it from rising. Or when forcibly pressing and holding onto it while it tries to close. But the build and design of the small plastic unit is strong enough for it not to get damaged.